Here I wanted to show you the process of how I make the pizza dough in my new Keto cookbook. First, you're going to microwave the cheese for 1 minute. Once that minute is up, you're going to stir it up as fast as you can, put it back in the microwave for 1 more minute, and then repeat that process. As soon as the cheese is fully melted, then you're going to add your egg and scramble it up. You want to make sure to have all of these ingredients ready to add to your bowl. If you're not prepared, the cheese will start to harden. So once it's mixed all together, at this point, you're going to add your flour, salt, and spices. Then again, continue to mix it up. You want to keep mixing and folding the dough into itself, making sure that it is thoroughly blended and mixed. So now it's starting to look good and ready to place onto your baking sheet with your parchment paper. So here I have my baking sheet and then my parchment paper. I have 2 parchment papers the same size. And so what I'm going to do is put it on one piece of parchment paper and then put another piece of parchment paper that is the same size over the top of it so that I can use this rolling pin to roll it out. The key to this dough is making sure that it's not too thick and that it's not too thin. It's not going to harden like a regular pizza crust. It's going to be a little bit harder to hold. So if it's too heavy, then it's going to be hard to hold. And then if it's too light, it's going to rip easily. So you really just have to find that balance. So from here, just keep on rolling. I start from the middle and then I go out, and then I start from the middle and then I go to the corners and to the sides, always from the middle, because that's where you have the bulk dough. It is a little bit of an art, so it does take a little bit of practice, but you can do it. So once you're done rolling it out and you feel like it's even, then I go ahead and put it on top of the baking sheet. I personally prepare all my meals in the daytime and then put them in the fridge so that they're ready to cook at dinner time. So what I like to do is place it in the refrigerator with the baking sheet and the parchment paper on the top and the bottom. Once you're ready to cook, then you go ahead and take the top layer off of the parchment paper and place it into the oven.